You may be the most charismatic, hard-working salesman, but without a system, your sales results will be limited and perhaps wasteful, with missed opportunities and activities that don't optimize your time. For instance, focusing on clients with a lower return on investment when high-value clients are actually within range, but not on your radar. Pipeliner is a customer relation management system that has its own radar, guiding you towards your high-value clients with laser precision. But don't take my word for it. Let's hear from salespeople in the marketplace who use Pipeliner and know how it performs.
We've managed to customize Pipeliner to fit the exact business requirements of our sales team with very little IT knowledge required. The sales teams managed to get up to speed with Pipeliner within a couple of days, working both on their laptops and even tablets. Pipeliner proved to be much more than that. It was a highly customizable way of setting targets and monitoring performance, as well as a great reporting tool with charts and dashboard capabilities. We're really excited about Pipeliner because it has already improved the performance of our salespeople and increased sales.
We as a company work with fast growth companies to help them double the speed by which they double the size of their company through large account sales strategy and sales process. We love Pipeliner because it lays out the sales process in a visual orientation on the screen, so sales reps and sales management can quickly and easily see where they are in their sales process on any given deal at any given time. And it increases the speed by which organizations uptake and install a sales process system so that everyone's on the same page and you now can have replicable and transparent results within your organization. I strongly recommend Sales Pipeliner.
Everyone on the team knows how to reach their sales goals for the month and for the year. Pipeliner gives every salesperson a quick and detailed overview about leads and opportunities that has quickly brought structure to our sales team. It's definitely brought an increase in sales and saved us time in achieving our sales goals. I recommend Pipeliner to any business owner.
The biggest fear of salespeople, especially entrepreneurs working for themselves, is that their sales pipeline won't provide enough income to pay the bills. Pipeliner streamlines your ability to pinpoint leads, assess their potential, and plan your approach, showing the impact of every move you make every step of the way to your sales goals. How often have you found yourself dealing with the small things in life, rather than tackling the large issues that create the most progress? Not so with Pipeliner. Pipeliner shows you why you should be focusing on the clients who bring in the maximum return on investment rather than the smaller clients who occupy a disproportionate amount of your time to the sales revenue they bring in. Pipeliner's next generation software is designed to empower sales teams and grow profitable customer relations by maximizing your efforts, minimizing your mistakes, and providing an exciting, intuitive operating environment that's a breeze to set up with no IT help. And with all these advantages, Pipeliner is far better value than the competition. It's free, well, for the first 30 days, and thereafter it's only $35 per month. What fraction of new sales will Pipeliner cost you? It's far less than you already pay for your daily coffee. You can't afford not to have Pipeliner. So activate your sales radar today with a 30-day trial that can transform your existing sales pipeline into a real Pipeliner.